Hi everyone! Today I'll introduce 4 different ways to make Japanese dashi from scratch to instant. One common type is mixed dashi, made with bonito flakes and dried kelp. Let's get started. First of all, wipe the kombu with damp cloth to clean it. Don't rub too hard or wash it, as the white powdery substance on its surface adds umami to the dashi. Let it soak for at least 30 minutes. This helps to extract the flavor from the kombu. After 30 minutes, you can see the kombu getting hydrated and expanding. Place the pot over medium heat and slowly bring the water to a gentle simmer. Be careful not to let it boil, as this can result in a bitter taste. Let it simmer for about 10 to 15 minutes. Once the kombu has simmered and you can see the small bubbles come up, take it out from the pot and add the katsuobushi. Turn the heat off and let it steep in the hot water for about 5 minutes. After steeping, strain the dashi through a fine mesh sieve or a cheesecloth or kitchen paper to remove the solids. Dashi contains umami and enhances the flavor of dishes. Also, it contributes to reducing salt intake. Your dashi is now ready to use in your favorite Japanese recipes, such as miso soup, noodle dishes, egg rolls, and more. The second one I'm making with the dashi packet. Dashi packets are convenient items containing natural ingredients, powdered form sealed in a packet. Some of them contain seasoning. You can check the ingredients listed on the back of the package and purchase the one that suits your preference. Once water has boiled, place the packet in it and let it simmer for 3 to 5 minutes over medium heat. After 3 to 5 minutes, squeeze the packet lightly and remove it. That's all. The third one I'm making with granulated dashi. Granulated dashi is powdered or granulated form of dashi stock, which can be easily dissolved by adding it to hot water. There are two types. One is primarily made from ingredients such as bonito flakes or dried anchovies and seasoned with additional flavorings. And the other is composed of salt and sugar with added flavorings from ingredients or extracts. Now your dashi is ready to use. Last one I made with cold brewing. It has a clean and refreshing taste without any strong flavors. All you have to do is just place any dashi ingredients you like and water into a pot, jug, bottle, or any container. Let it soak in a refrigerator for about 6 to 8 hours. Drain the dashi through a fine mesh sieve or cheesecloth or kitchen paper to remove the solids. Unlike simmering, cold brewing extracts umami slowly over time. Now dashi is ready. It is suitable for light and elegant dishes such as clear soups and lightly seasoned simmered dishes.